We've had Lashgate, Skincare Gate, and now we've got Accent Gate. Now, I don't want to turn my channel into just something that's all about Michaela all the time, but here we are again. She just doesn't help herself. You know? For years now, for absolutely years, she's adamant that the accent that she exhibits is her real, authentic, what she was born with accent. I am no expert in American accents, so I couldn't tell you if it was a genuine accent myself or not. But there's been so many people that have said people from Massachusetts do not sound the way she sounds. So I'm going to take their word for it because they live in America. The people who are saying this, the majority of people who are saying this all live in America. They know the accents, they've been around them. Just like I know English accents, American people know American accents. So I'm not sure if it's a Boston or Massachusetts accent. I don't know if there's a difference. Let me know if there is. Either way, people for years have been saying that is not her real accent. She's putting it on. It's too thick. It's too exaggerated. There are a lot of people who think the reason that she puts on this accent is so that she gets lots of attention, resulting in more engagement on her videos. So, as of the 7th of February, a few days ago, L'Oreal pulled a newly launched advertisement with Michaela in because the comment section was just flooded with people saying that she is missing her signature accent. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't just wake up one day and lose my accent. I don't wake up one day and suddenly have a southern English accent. I don't wake up any day and just suddenly have some, you know, London accent or Birmingham or somewhere else in England. So that tells me that there's something going on there. Because your accent doesn't just change. Feels really stupid to actually be talking about this because that's common sense. You don't just, you know, your accent doesn't just change. You can't do that. When you're young, for example, and you move to another country or another part of your country and you pick up the accent, that's when it happens. Not as a 20, however old she is, woman, and having your accent just change day to day, depending on your mood or the weather. Girl, this is not cloudy with a chance of meatballs. You cannot control these things. Got something in my eye. Hello? Can you go, please? So before we look at this advert, I am just going to say this is even more reason, this is more evidence in my mind that she has been faking her accent just to build her brand. Michaela, please, do you not know that there's other things you can do? There's many other things you can do. So much positive things that you could do to build your brand. But for some strange reason, you just want to piss everyone off. What is that? I don't know what it is, but you just have to do it. You have to annoy everyone. And I get when things are bad, people talk more about it. People don't want to see you succeed all the time. But there's a difference between doing things to get people to talk about you and just being fucking weird. Why would you do that? Why are you changing your accent? Embrace where you are from. If you've got a thick as fuck Boston accent, you own that, Michaela. You own that. No one is going to hate you for your accent, and if they do, then that's on them. That is their problem, and they can take themselves away. PSA now, you don't need to change your accent to build your brand. In fact, that's on the list of things that you shouldn't be doing. Let's have a look at this video. It has been removed by L'Oreal now, so this is the only version I could find, but this is the ad.
This is the lash line. Got average lashes? L'Oreal Paris Extensionist Mascara works for all lashes. Yes, seriously. Well, no. I know. Like, So long, falsies.
It's weird. It's weird. Even though I'm not American, and even though I'm really bad with American accents, I can hear a massive difference. Is that the accent that she claims to have and has done for years now, practically, you know, a whole time that she's been on the internet, it's just disappeared. Poof. Gone. Now, how has that happened, Michaela? How's that happened? Something's a little bit suspicious. But if you know the history of Michaela, you know this isn't the first time, and I'm just questioning L'Oreal now. What is your motive here? Why are you wanting Michaela to be the face of your new mascara? It hasn't been that long since Mascaragate, Lashgate, whatever you want to call it, where Michaela was promoting a L'Oreal telescopic mascara, and in the video where she's supposed to be showing what this fantastic mascara does for your lashes, she wears fake eyelashes. She's got no eyelashes on, no mascara on. She applies the mascara with a different mascara to the one she's supposed to be promoting, and may I add, cuts the video there, and when the video cuts back to her, she's applied eyelashes, and she's just pretending that she's applying mascara to her natural eyelashes. First of all, do you think we're stupid? Do you think the whole world is stupid, Michaela? Michaela, honey, this is a massive issue. You need to sort this out because... dear me. And like, I don't understand why L'Oreal, after this whole incident with the first mascara, why have you gone back to her to be the face of your new campaign? To be the face of your new mascara? From L'Oreal's side, I guess the only thing I can think of, the only reason I can think of is so that people are talking about it, people lose their shit over it, driving that traffic. Because what other explanation is there? You can't seriously be choosing Michaela because you think she's a good influencer. Because she isn't, is she? She's lying all the time. So whilst I was actually trying to find the video that we've just watched, I came across some other things. This is a video from Michaela's TikTok that was posted 20 hours ago. Maybe a day and 20 hours by the time this is posted. But regardless, yesterday or a couple of days ago. Just watch this. Just watch this.
To be honest, I don't know what happened, but we need a redo.
I'll say you need a redo. You need a redo of your whole brand. You need a redo of the shit show that has been your career for the last at least 3 years. And I don't mean that to be horrible. As horrible as it sounds, I don't mean that in that way. Do you know what? I'm entitled to my opinion, and I'm just going to say it. I just don't, you know, everything she's doing is not benefiting her. Why can't you be an influencer who does good things, who does nice things? You can still get that attention that you're obviously craving. Just be a nice person. Just be genuine, truthful. Don't fabricate results. And then on top of that, she's being cocky about it. Because let's watch this next video.
Years ago, I went from having my career nearly destroyed over a L'Oreal mascara ad to becoming the face of the new L'Oreal Extensionist mascara. Back then, I could have easily let that moment destroy me, but 2026 is my redemption year, and I'm showing up for it. This year has a lot of change, and I am embracing all of it. Listen, at this point, I have been canceled for everything you can imagine. People have a lot of opinions on me, and you just have to roll with the punches. So no matter what you think of this, I am proud of it. I am proud of me, and I am grateful for everyone who has supported me for years, even through all the bullshit. And also, shout out to L'Oreal for believing in me. When they first reached out asking if I wanted to be the face of their new mascara, I said, "Are you fucking sure about that?" I was definitely thrown off, but I was so excited about it, especially because I got to work alongside two incredible beauty creators, and we had a blast on set. The goal was to give badass boss bitches, and we were definitely serving that. I loved my makeup, hair, and the fit. Listen, I'm not a perfect person. I never will be. Neither will you. Hate to break it to you. All you can do is show up for yourself, continue to do better, and continue to learn. And that's what I'm doing this year. I want to become a version of myself that I can truly look in the mirror and say I'm proud of her. And thank you for coming on this journey with me. I truly would not want to ride this roller coaster with anyone else.
That's the first time I've actually watched the full thing, and I'm just, are you all right, Michaela? Are you actually okay? Do you need help? There was something that really stuck with me there, and that was, I'm not perfect, and neither are you. Me? As far as I'm aware, none of us are saying that we are perfect and she isn't. We are saying that we have a massive issue with the way that she lies. The way she lies about things. Mascara gate, lash gate, skincare gate, accent gate now. What's next? What's next? But to sit there and say that her life has been ruined, that her career was nearly ruined over the mascara issue. The issue was you lied. You applied false lashes when you were promoting a mascara. Not only that, but you then gaslight people saying that you weren't wearing false eyelashes. It's giving narcissism, honey. She's saying she nearly had her career destroyed over a mascara ad. Tell the truth, Michaela, yeah? Tell the truth. It wasn't over the mascara. It was absolutely nothing to do with L'Oreal or their mascara. It was all you lying. It is that simple. You were lying. So yeah, in my opinion, you did deserve to have your career ruined. Why should everyone in the world carry on making you successful when you're lying to them? Michaela wouldn't be who she is without her audience. And she wants to lie to them. So obviously, as we know, L'Oreal USA TikTok page has taken down the ad of Michaela in, the first one that we watched, of Michaela answering the phone talking about this new mascara. But if you go onto Michaela's TikTok, that is apparently not the case. Because let's look at the comments on the most recent video we've just watched. Somebody says, "Hasn't this commercial been dropped?" To which Michaela says, "No, lol." Because it's funny. Someone else said, "Just googled it and you are nowhere on Google for L'Oreal." And somebody put, "Oh honey, people have a lot of opinions because they can't be you." I mean, it's not hard to be a liar. So, that ain't right, is it? We have opinions because she's full of shit. And we're done with influencers, celebrities, whatever, whoever it is, just talking shit to us, lying, fabricating results. All you're doing is annoying the people that are looking up to you, that are going to you for advice and for you to be that trustworthy influencer. Not that Michaela ever was. So I have had a look at the TikTok pages and Instagram pages of L'Oreal, and there is no kind of statement to say why they've taken the video down. We know it is because of the negative comments that Michaela were receiving about her lack of accent. But I'm sorry, if you're gonna lie about something so weird for years, To then do an advertisement where it's, you know, the accent is non-existent, people are going to say something, rightly so. Because it's not okay for these influencers, celebrities, brands, whoever it is, to just be openly taking the piss like they are. Please have a word with yourselves. Of course, if they do post anything, then I will keep you updated. I'm sure this won't be the last video I'm doing on Michaela this year. Probably not this month. But as much as she pisses me off, she is definitely giving me a lot of things to talk about. So, by the way, my makeup's crazy today because I was doing some more Valentine's Day makeup inspiration. Don't judge me. I'm not going out like this, okay? And happy Valentine's Day. I hope you have a wonderful day. Spend it with the people you love, having lots of red balloons and chocolates. And only the people that you love, because life is too short to be spending any time with anybody who doesn't appreciate you. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if this channel is your vibe. Love you. Bye.